What if machines could think like humans? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is so advanced, it mirrors our own cognitive abilities. What would it mean for us, for society, for the future? Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of artificial intelligence. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence, or as it's commonly known, AI? In the simplest terms, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue software or machines with the ability to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes tasks like learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. There are two main categories of AI: weak and strong. Weak AI, also known as narrow AI, is designed to perform a specific task, such as voice recognition. This is the type of AI we interact with in our day-to-day lives, like the voice assistants on our phones. On the other hand, strong AI, also known as general AI, possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge, much like a human being. While this type of AI remains largely theoretical and is still a topic of ongoing research, it's the kind often depicted in science fiction. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's explore how it all began. AI didn't just appear out of nowhere. There's a rich history behind it. Let's begin with the father of computer science, Alan Turing. In the 1940s, Turing proposed a test to gauge a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior. This test, now known as the Turing test, is still a fundamental concept in the field of artificial intelligence. Fast forward to the mid-1950s, and we find John McCarthy, who coined the term artificial intelligence. He defined it as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. During this era, the focus was on creating systems that could mimic human intelligence. Then, in the 1960s and 70s, AI research began to flourish. We saw the development of the first AI programming languages and the creation of ELIZA, a computer program that could simulate conversation. As we moved into the 80s and 90s, AI took a turn towards using algorithms and statistics to solve specific problems. This shift marked the birth of machine learning. A prime example was IBM's Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer that defeated the world champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. In the early 21st century, AI entered the mainstream. With the rise of the internet and big data, machine learning algorithms could be trained on vast amounts of information. This era gave rise to modern AI technologies like Google's search algorithms and Apple's Siri. Throughout this journey, AI has been about pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. Each milestone, from the Turing test to Deep Blue, has been a stepping stone towards creating machines that can think, learn, and adapt like humans. From chess-playing computers to Siri, AI has come a long way. But where is it used today? Scene script. AI is not just a thing of the future, it's already here, revolutionizing multiple fields. Think about your smartphone. It's not just a device for calling or texting anymore, is it? That's right. From recommending your next binge-worthy Netflix series to predicting what you might search next on Google, artificial intelligence is at play. AI algorithms learn from your past behavior and use that knowledge to anticipate what you might want in the future. But let's not stop there. AI is also making significant strides in the healthcare industry. By analyzing patterns in vast amounts of data, AI can help doctors detect diseases like cancer at an early stage. It can predict health risks based on a patient's medical history and lifestyle patterns. It's like having a personal medical advisor at your fingertips, one that's constantly learning and improving. Now, let's talk about finance. AI is changing the game in this sector too. High-frequency trading, where stocks are bought and sold in fractions of a second, is largely driven by AI algorithms. These algorithms can analyze market trends and make trading decisions faster than any human could. AI is also helping to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions, making your online shopping experience safer. And of course, we can't forget transportation. Self-driving cars, once a thing of science fiction, are now becoming a reality thanks to AI. These vehicles use AI to interpret data from their sensors, allowing them to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. And it's not just cars. AI is also being used in the aviation industry to optimize flight paths, saving fuel and reducing environmental impact. But AI isn't just about these high-tech applications. It's also being used in agriculture to optimize crop yields, in education to personalize learning, and even in art and music to create new forms of expression. From the mundane to the extraordinary, AI is transforming the world as we know it. It's making our lives easier, our tasks more efficient, and our futures brighter. But while the potential of AI is vast, it's not without its challenges. As AI continues to evolve, we must confront these issues head-on, ensuring that AI serves us, not the other way around. The scope of AI is vast and growing, but it's not without its challenges. While AI holds immense potential, it also presents certain challenges. Let's start with the ethical challenges. AI systems, like humans, can be biased, but unlike us, they don't have a moral compass to guide them. If the data used to train an AI is biased, the AI can amplify those biases, leading to unfair outcomes. For instance, a hiring algorithm trained on a dataset that includes predominantly male candidates may inadvertently discriminate against female applicants. Next, we have the technical challenges. AI systems are complex and often opaque, making it difficult to understand how they make decisions. This so-called black box problem raises concerns about accountability and transparency. If an AI system makes a mistake, who's to blame? The developers? The users? The AI itself? These questions remain largely unanswered. Then, there are societal challenges. One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. While AI can automate mundane tasks, it can also replace jobs, leading to unemployment and social unrest. On the other hand, AI can create new jobs and industries, but this requires a workforce that's trained to work with AI, a transition that could take decades. Privacy is another major concern. AI systems can gather and analyze vast amounts of personal data, often without explicit consent. This leads to questions about who owns and controls this data, and how it's used and protected. Finally, there's the need for regulations. Without proper oversight, AI can be misused or cause harm. But regulating AI is a complex task, as it requires understanding the technology and its potential impacts, while balancing innovation with safety and privacy. As we navigate these challenges, the future of AI holds exciting possibilities. While it's crucial to address these challenges head-on, it's equally important to remember that AI, in its essence, is a tool. And like any tool, its impact depends largely on how we use it. With careful thought and action, we can harness the power of AI to solve some of our biggest problems, while minimizing its potential risks. So, what's next for AI? Will machines ever think like humans? As we look to the future, we see a horizon filled with possibilities. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we've come to know it, is set to evolve in ways that we might find hard to fathom today. Let's dive into the world of tomorrow, where advancements in machine learning are expected to take center stage. Machine learning, a subset of AI, is essentially the process by which machines learn from data, improve their performance, and make decisions. It's like teaching a child to ride a bike, but the child is a computer, and the bike is a complex algorithm. In the future, we anticipate that machine learning will become more sophisticated, allowing AI to understand and learn from the world in a more human-like manner. But what about AI in our everyday lives? Today we already see AI in action when we ask Siri for the weather, or when Netflix recommends a movie based on our viewing habits. In the future, AI is expected to become even more integrated into our daily routines. Imagine waking up to a world where your AI-powered personal assistant plans your day, your self-driving car takes you to work, and your smart home system manages your household chores. This is not a far-off dream, but a reality that is inching closer every day. Now, let's touch upon a concept that's been the subject of much debate: singularity. Singularity is the hypothetical point in time when AI will surpass human intelligence, potentially leading to monumental changes in our society. While some believe that this could happen within the next few decades, others are more skeptical. Regardless, the prospect of singularity pushes us to consider the ethical and societal implications of increasingly intelligent machines. Whether or not machines will ever think like humans, one thing is certain: AI is here to stay, and it will continue to shape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. From its definition to its origins, its applications, its challenges, and its future, we have journeyed through the fascinating world of AI. It's not just the technology of the future, it's the technology of the present, and it's revolutionizing our world in ways that are as exciting as they are unprecedented. So here's to embracing the AI-driven future and the myriad possibilities it holds.